Welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on how to configure and verify the subinterface in Paloalto Firewall. This is my small topology. In this I have three PCs which is having a 192.168.1.0 network, 192.168.2.0 network and 3.0 network, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.100 and 2.100 and 3.100. In switch, I need to configure three VLANs, VLAN 10 for HR, VLAN 20 for sales, and VLAN 30 for market PC. This is I have assigned one IPs to that PCs, and the switch is connected to ETH1/2. That is, it will be in a trunk mode, and ETH1/ is connected to internet. So I need to assign the 192.168.238.210, and my management interface is got connected as on 238.221. So first we will assign the PC IPs to this PC, and later we will configure the three VLANs and this interface as a trunk interface, and later we will go to the firewall and we will create a sub interface in that firewall. Let's start start with PCs. We will assign the IP address to HRPC, that is having 192.168.1.1. Go to the properties and assign IPv4 as 192.168.1.1 with /24 subnet mask, and default gateway is 192.168.1.100 and the DNS is 888. Click on OK, close, and go to the sales PC and go to the properties. IPv4, use the following IP: 192.168.2.1 and default gateway is 192.168.2.100 and use the DNS as 888.1. Click on OK. Similarly, we will assign the IP address for the sales PC, marketing PC. Go to the properties and internet IPv4 192.168.3.1 with the /24 and default gateway is 192.168.3.100 and Google DNS as a DNS server IP address 8.8.8. So we have done the assigning IP address to the PCs. Now we go to the switch and configure the switches. Host name as switch and configure three VLANs. VLAN 10 name as HR, VLAN 20 name as sales, VLAN 30 name as marketing, and now assign the those VLANs to that interface. Interface is 0/0 switch port access VLAN 10 and ETH1/0 ETH1/1 switch port access VLAN 20 and switch port is /302 VLAN 30. And now we need to configure the E0/3 as a trunk interface. Interface E0/3 switch port trunk encapsulation not 1Q and switch port mode trunk. and save the configuration. So switch part is done. Now we will log into the firewall and we will configure the sub interface. And firewall IP address is 192.168.238.221. Login with admin and password. And here's the game plan. So what we'll do is we will configure the sub interface, and after configuring these three PC should able to reach the internet, and after that HR PC needs to communicate with sales team, and sales team needs to communicate with HR. Similarly, HR with the marketing and marketing with HR, and sales with marketing and marketing with sales. This needs to configure. So in this example I will show how to create a role for HR to sales and sales to HR, and rest others will be same for sales to marketing and marketing to sales. So right now I'm in dashboard. So first we will go to the network. First we will create a one ping profile, interface management for communication purpose, list ping. Click on OK and go to the zones. We need 4 zones. One is for HR and type should be a layer 3. Click on OK. Sales, type should be a layer 3. Click on OK. And marketing, and type should be a layer 3. And click on outside. Click on the, and we need one more outside interface zone, that is for internet purpose. Click on OK. So we have created a zones, and go to the interface. So first one is eth1/1, which is connected to outside interface. Connected to internet, type should be a layer 3. And virtual router as default, select as default, and select security zone as outside. IPv4 is my IP address is 192.168.238.210. 192.168.238.210 the /24, and go to the advanced, assign the management profile as ping. Click on OK. Go to the eth1/2, and we need to select interface type as layer 3. Click on OK and select the eth1/2 interface and come down and click on the add sub interface. So we will add the vlan interface for vlan 10 and HR vlan. Tag should be at 10, and virtual router as default, security zone as HR. IPv4 is 192.168.1.1.100/24, and go to the advanced and assign the ping interface, ping profile. Click on OK and create one more interface for vlan 20, sales vlan, and tag should be 20. Virtual router as default, security zone as sales, IPv4 as 192.168.2.100 with the /24. Go to the advanced, select the ping profile, click on OK, and create one more sub interface for vlan 30. This is marketing vlan, and tag should be 30. Select virtual router as default, security zone as marketing, IPv4 address as 192.168.3.100 with the /24. Go to the advanced, select the ping profile, click on OK. So we have created 3 sub interfaces. Now we need to go to the virtual router and click on default and static routes. click on add a default route towards internet, and IP address is any IP address with any subnet mask, and interface should send it to the e1/1, that is next outside interface, and next hop is 192.168.238.2. Click on OK. So we have created one default route, and now go to the policies, click on add. We'll create one rule for all department rule. Go to the source, select all the HR, go to the marketing, and go to the sales, and destination should be outside interface, and any application, any services action should be allowed, and similarly create a rule for a NAT. NAT rule for all department. Original packet is coming from HR, marketing, and sales, and going to the outside interface, destination interface as e1/1, and service is any translation packet is, and I want to do add dynamic and IP port. Click on that. Address track should be interface, and select the interface of that outside interface, and IP address should be 238.210. Click on OK. And in this example, I want to communicate from HR to sales and from sales to HR. For that, I need to create a security rule. Go to security and click on add. Here you can mention HR to sales. Source is my HR, destination is my sales. Any application, any services and action should be allowed. And one more rule for sales to HR. Sales to HR. Click on sales. Source as sales, destination as my HR, and any application, any services action should be allowed. Click on OK and commit the changes. Okay, got the confirmation that configuration committed successfully. Click on close. Go to the HRPC and go to the command prompt and ipconfig. So it's HRPC 192.168.1.1. Trying to ping the interface 192.168.1.100. I have the connectivity. So now we will try to ping the Google. It don't update, so I have the connectivity, and ping facebook.com. Okay, IP is resolving. It's resolving to the IP. And go to the sessions. So first you will see the sessions for the. So I am getting the hits for the Google DNS, and now we will try to ping from HR to sales. Ping 192.168.2.1 and the connectivity to the sales PC. Similarly, I will go to the sales PC and I will try to ping 192.168. And the connectivity from my sales PC to HR PC. So I will try to do again check the Google DNS. I have the connectivity to the Google DNS as well, and go to the browser and try to browse some social networking site just for the confirmation. Okay, so browse Facebook. So you can see so many hits from sales department, sales PC, and from HR PC, and also marketing PC is trying to mess spam out. Okay, I got the Facebook from sales PC. Let's try to do similar things from HR PC as well. I got the Facebook page as well from HRPC. So, so this is the way to create a sub interface in Paloalto Firewall. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.